That didn't help. Hi guys, rubber band power time again. I picked up this kit, rubber band powered propeller engines, in a charity shop for £1. It shows a car and a boat. Unfortunately, when we open the pack up, because it's second hand, it doesn't have the bits for the boat. It does have the hull of the boat, but it doesn't have all the extra bits. So we can't do the boat, but we can do the car. It's fairly straightforward to put it together. In fact, because somebody's already used it, I don't even need to put the nuts and bolts through the wheels to put them in place. So that's already done. All we need to do is put these bits onto here, onto this plastic tube. So which way? That one wants to go there, all the way along there. Yeah, that looks like that's the right direction. And then that one goes on the back there. I'll get that rubber band back out again somehow. There we go. Okay, and that hooks onto there. So there we go. That's our propeller driven car. So we'll just run that up and down the kitchen and see how it goes. Well, I just gave it a quick test and it's a bit fast. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to film it. Gosh, it's a bit light as well. I might need to add a bit of weight to slow it down. I expect I could always put one of my little cameras on it to give it a bit more weight. It's way too fast. I'll get my mini camera, use that as some extra ballast, extra weight. Right, I've got my mini camera on there, Quilima mini camera. So we'll set that running and that should add a bit of weight to slow it down a bit and maybe even make it a little more stable. Oh, well, that didn't help. Try it this way. Or we might have to put the weight at the front instead. I think that explains why in the diagram they put a paper aeroplane on top to keep it going straight. Yeah, right, we might have to do that then. I've folded up the paper plane, or origami chassis as they call it there. A bit of scrap A4 paper, so that goes on these two brackets, and the fin should help it to go in a straight line. Got a bit of double-sided sticky tape there, I'll put on there and there to hold it in place. Let's see if that helps it go in a straight line. be honest, it didn't make much difference. Well, summary time. We did get there in the end. It doesn't go very straight at all, and the steering, if you just twist this tail wheel one way or the other, that makes a massive difference to the direction the car goes. It really curves off one way or the other, so it's very sensitive to this steering at the back. So, well, summary, it works, but to keep it going straight, you have to keep adjusting this wheel to get it in just the right position for it to go straight. It would have been a lot easier with two wheels at the back, proper axle. But I'm not going to modify it in this video, because this is just to try it out as it came out of the box. But although this looks nice, it's too sensitive on the steering to get a nice long straight run. There we go, a very quick modification. Just turned it over and stuck it on top of one of my rubber band powered cars. In fact, this one was balloon powered, but not that it makes much difference. A lot slower because that's a much heavier car, but at least it went in a straight line. That'll do.